My name is Mithi Hathi and I am one of the International Student Advisors at Humber College. I know you all are very excited to hear about the services that Humber Global has to offer to our international students. But if you still have questions, please do send them to the link international.humber.ca/contact. So let's get started with the virtual tour. Who are we and what do we do? We are the Student Services team at Humber's International Center, and we are here to help you learn about Canadian culture and provide you with the support you need during your time in Canada. So how do we help our students learn about Canadian culture? We do so by organizing trips, workshops, connect social events, and so much more. Trips are an opportunity for you to learn about the history of Canada in a very experiential way, and it will also help you to gain insight into the potential citizenship exams. So you're learning while having fun at the same time. I'm now going to hand it over to Sophie, who will tell you all you need to know about workshops.
Hello, my name is Sophie Young. I am one of the International Student Advisors at Humber College. Now let's talk about workshops. We do offer a few of workshops, including social insurance workshop, study permit workshop, and workshop about how to legally work inside Canada. At the International Center, all of the international student advisors are licensed Canadian immigration consultants, and you can book one-on-one appointment with us to discuss your application. The applications we can help you with including how to extend your study permit inside Canada, how to apply for a co-op work permit, and a post-graduation work permit. We're here for you. Now my colleague Chantel will discuss about our health insurance program and our Connect program.
Hello, my name is Chantel Bailey, and I am an international student advisor based at the North Campus. Let's talk health insurance. Our international student advisors can also help you with learning about what health insurance programs are covered for international students. Pop quiz. How many health insurance plans is an international student covered for while studying at Humber College? 1 or 2? 2. The first one is an alternative to the Ontario Health Insurance Program, and the second one is an extended benefits health insurance program. Let's talk about Connect. Now I know it's a lot, but that's what we're here for. We are here to help you connect. The Connect program is offered to first-year international students, and it gives you the opportunity to connect with a senior mentor and a Humber staff member so that you can get the most out of your Humber experience. Well, here ends the end of our virtual tour. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Our giveaway for today is Smiles and Encouragements. We hope to see you on campus, and don't forget, if you have any questions, please send your questions to the link international.humber.ca/contact. Have a great day.